NextWave DV's coverage of NAB 2011 is made possible by LCD Viewfinder, the essential accessory for DSLR video, CPM Film Tools, your lightweight solution for caging the beast, Manhattan LCD, the affordable solution for high-definition monitoring, B&H, the professional source for photo, video, and pro audio.
Tony here from NextWave DV, and I'm here with Ron Rowan from Camtrol. And Ron, you've got some really cool rig systems here. Why don't you show us some of those?
Okay. We're very proud of this. This is our Camtrol, and this happens to be our newest model. This is the Prime 22. And basically what we have is a stabilizing unit that gives full range of motion, where shoulder mounts give about 30% range of motion. If I may, let me just give you a normal shoulder mount goes from about here to here. We deliver the other 30% down on the low end, and just by changing our ball joint, we now are able to go overhead. And if I want to extend another 5 or 10 inches, I just flip the handle and get an extra 10 inches this way. And what's important about this is I spend literally 30 seconds balancing the camera, and here's how we accomplish it. The unit has built into it what we call centering channels. These centering channels allow you to find your center of gravity on all cameras. In 30 seconds, you will find the center of gravity. Once that's accomplished, we then go into what we call our one-finger test. We have just found the perfect center of gravity in less than 30 seconds. Once that happens, the camera has been tricked. We've added width and weight, the two principles of stability, and now the camera thinks, I am a more stable unit. Now we've given you a range of motion that you don't have, and we're going to give you some other flexible features. Let's say you want to put your camera down. What do you do with normal rigs? You hope it doesn't tip over, or maybe you have an assistant to hand it to. If you want to put our unit down, there you go. Well, let's say first you want to also shoot it and you want to be in the picture. All you do is lift up the legs, collapse two of the legs, and now you have a tripod. You can also use it as an editing stand. And when you want to, you basically have the position of going into what we call our stealth mode. And the stealth mode is just keeping it in a position where it's nice and clean, you're not going to bang into anything. And then we have a number of accessories that we sell for the unit. This is our V-slope bracket, which mounts directly onto our receiver post. And that allows you to literally put any remote, Velcro it, operate it with your thumb, and now you have the ability, because our handle is hollow, to thread the cord through here. Nice clean operation, comes out in the end, and you don't have wires dangling anywhere. So now that you've got the V-slope bracket, we have other accessories that we offer. This is a cam shade, a must for outdoor photography. If you're doing any videography or whatever, need to have this. So now I've showed you the two functions. This works for both video cameras and DSLRs. Now there's another application. This is the drift. And what's nice about this particular model of POV is it has a monitor, so you can see if you are actually shooting. And it also has, you can change the lens, so you can tip it on its side, and it allows you to basically shoot on the side and also see in the monitor. It also carries its own remote, which is very unusual for a POV camera. Last application, cam phones. Two apparatuses, a armature and a clamp, and literally give you the ability to turn your iPhone into a great 1080 recorder. So you have a 4-trick pony with Camtrol.
Great. And for more information, where can people go to check out your products?
We'd love for them to go onto our website. It's camtrol.com, camtrol.com. They can also buy through our 3 retailers. Sammy's in the greater California area. Nationally, they can buy from Adorama or B&H.
Great. Thanks for your time.
You bet.
Subscribe to us on YouTube and visit nextwavedv.com for more news and training for video and filmmakers.